Inside this locked container lies a $1 million luxury car that we're bringing back to life today. Opening the doors, 15 years of dust greeted us. And what we saw inside was shocking. It was shocking. Flashlight on, mice had chewed through wires, and the body was covered in thick rust layers. All 4 wheels were completely locked up. Dragging it out was a major battle. After 3 long hours, we finally got it to our garage. Now the real work begins. First step, yet, using a high-pressure washer to blast off years of caked-on dirt and grime. After washing, we started dismantling. Every bolt was so rusted we feared breaking them. The interior was ruined. Torn leather seats and dashboard wiring totally destroyed by rodents. But when we popped the main engine cover, what we saw inside blew our minds. Major engine components were shattered, and finding local parts was impossible. After searching all day, every shop told us, these parts simply don't exist anywhere. Our last resort was the official dealership, so we headed straight to corporate headquarters. They said parts had to be custom imported, forcing us into a painful 3-week wait.
I understand. Let me place that order for you.
After 21 long days of waiting, heavy shipment boxes finally arrived at our garage. Hearts racing as we opened the crates. Would these expensive parts actually fit? After bodywork, we sprayed a fresh, glossy metallic blue coat. Look at that shine! 150 hours of hard work, and our dream car is ready. Time for the moment of truth. Turning the key in 3, 2, 1. Listen to that powerful engine roar. Loved this transformation? Hit like, drop a comment for the next build, and subscribe now.